How to make and create funny t-shirt design on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account and click on create a design. Search for t-shirt, click on the first option. It will take you directly to this page. Now on this page you will find many options. Go right here and scroll down until you find funny t-shirts right here. And yeah, here is it right here. Now click on funny t-shirt, click see all and choose any template here. As you can see, for example, this one looks so cute, and for example this one, and you have a lot of options. For example, this one looks so good. Actually, I like this design, this one, and you have many, as you can see. After you finish, go to the top and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.